Here we have our Granite from our Elements range. This particular product works as a styling product and also a finishing product. It's a non-aerosol hairspray. Today I'm going to show you how to style with it, but also set the style. So firstly, we're just going to spray it through. This is going to give us a nice shine as well as hold. So as I've sprayed it in, I can brush it so then that way it has that nice hold to create for your upstyles, your ponytails, or just to get rid of your flyaways. You can be quite generous with your spray as we're having a nice firm style. And we wanted to create lots of shine and a nice strong hold. Works well on all of those little wispies around the sides of the face and underneath. Once you've got it nice secured, you can spray to finish, making sure that you get all of your little fine baby hairs, and it will dry with a nice shine and a strong hold.